Witness the brilliance of your own design. Take a slow, infinitely steady breath into this moment. You haven't just arrived at a destination. You have stepped into the finished structure of your own expansion. Let the magnitude of this second wash over you. The chapter of seeking is over. The searching has ended. Everything you once envisioned, every thrill, every comfort, every victory, is no longer a distant goal. It is resting securely in your hands. You have pulled back the curtain and found the only truth that exists. You are the master. You are the always present awareness, and the physical plane is simply the canvas for your expression. Because you are awake to this power, the universe is currently organizing a celebration in your honor. It is laying out clear, golden pathways for your every step. It is singing your praises through every beautiful serendipity and every sudden windfall. You chose yourself. You recognized your own value, and now the seamless reality must reflect that royal decision back to you in a million different ways. Notice the space that opens in your mind when you stop striving. Notice the smile that comes from knowing that the unfolding is doing the work for you. You have laid down the heavy armor of the old world. You have accepted that ease is your natural state. There is no distance between your quiet assumptions and the world around you. They are one unbroken tapestry, and you are the weaver. This is the natural state. It is your birthright. Here, abundance is as common as the air you breathe. Love is the ground you walk on. Financial freedom and physical harmony are the scenery of your daily life. You don't build them from scratch. You simply take your seat on the throne of your consciousness, and the kingdom organizes itself to deliver your desires. Feel that certainty in your chest. It is a warm, permanent confidence. It is the cellular knowledge that the game is mastered. The script of your success is written. The masterpiece is painted. You are simply enjoying the process of watching it reveal itself. Your consciousness dictates your reality. Every feeling of having is registered by the unified field. This field is your loyal servant. It moves the atoms, shifts the circumstances, and aligns the right people to match your frequency. It does this effortlessly because your joy is its highest priority. Now let this peace expand. Feel your body. It is safe. It is held by the same energy that orchestrates the galaxies. Your physical form is a perfectly tuned receiver for the wealth of the unified field. Every cell is vibrating with the frequency of having it all. You have collapsed the illusion of time. The feeling of having your desire is available right now, and the moment you claim it in your always present awareness, it is an irreversible physical fact. Imagine living from this vantage point. You wake up every morning with a relaxed excitement. You walk into every room with the authority of a creator. People feel it. They are magnetically drawn to your light. They treat you with respect and kindness because they are reflecting the royalty you hold within. They are all messengers saying, yes, you are exactly who you know yourself to be. Receive their messages with a nod. Of course is your baseline. Of course the wealth flows. Of course your relationships are harmonious. The seamless reality is devoted to your delight. It has infinite creativity to ensure you are satisfied. Consider the power of your attention. Whatever you rest your gaze upon flourishes. You are the gardener of a flawless landscape. When you assume wealth, the trees of your reality bloom with golden fruit. When you assume health, the rivers run pure. When you assume love, the air hums with harmony. You are the orchestrator of a magnificent symphony. Every day is a new movement in this song. You raise the conductor's baton, you assume the feeling of the wish fulfilled, and the entire orchestra of the unified field responds. The strings of coincidence harmonize. The percussion of perfect timing strikes with precision. The universe plays your song for your absolute delight. You have the best seat in the theater of your life, surrounded by the sound of your own success. You are celebrated. You are cherished. You are victorious. If you feel this soaring joy, let this moment be your anchor. Declare your sovereign presence. Subscribe to this frequency of effortless receiving. Like this transmission as a physical mark of your alignment. Join this community of creators who have realized they are the untroubled rulers of their own experience. Every time you return to this channel, you are saying yes to your own perfection. You are confirming that you have stepped into your power. From this moment forward, allow the unfolding to continue. Let the river of your own consciousness carry you toward greater heights of joy and deeper levels of wealth. You are the master. You are the center. Your reality is as magnificent as you are. Anchor this truth now. Let the universe hear your declaration. Comment below. I am the breathtaking architect of my infinite joyous harvest. And so it is, and so you are, resting in the light of your own seamless creation.